Absolutely. It is still very much a crime. So when medical marijuana was legalized in 2016, it actually didn't decriminalize marijuana. All it did was create sort of an affirmative defense that, why it is that you're possessing marijuana. However, I will state there are some counties that have taken a lot of sort of progressive measures in order to either say that they weren't going to prosecute these cases anymore, or they were going to make it discretionary whether or not a police officer could arrest. Like, for example, Miami-Dade County is sort of on that track, and more specifically as to Miami-Dade County, because hemp was legalized in Florida in July of 2019, it created a major problem in prosecuting marijuana cases because courts found that marijuana, medical marijuana or cannabis, and hemp are actually, they look the same, they smell the same, and traditionally officers have been allowed to testify without being experts necessarily as to whether or not something they find is marijuana. But now that hemp is legal and they're exactly the same, now officers can't just testify to that on their own. There has to be testing done. So imagine the amount of testing and how overwhelming it would be for counties, specifically Miami-Dade County, to try to test each and every single one of these cases. So what the state attorney's office has done is decided that for the moment, they're not prosecuting marijuana cases. That can change.